going to do some makeover in this living room, and first we are going to start installing the sconces. So if you like this type of content, keep on watching. Well, it's another day and I realized that I don't have the right size of these anchors. So that's the status right now of the wall sconces. But in the meantime, I took the flowers that were over there and placed them in here. Yeah. So I also last night I was drilling holes to install the shelf, and again I had also the wrong So that's a shelf that I wanted to install on the other wall, so I have to run to the store and get the right anchors. Let's see if I can do this. In the meantime, I am going to make some breakfast. I am getting, I don't know, what should I make? You know what? I'm just gonna eat this watermelon and feta cheese. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I have salmon that I cooked the other day. I have chicken that I have to cook, zucchini, I have greens, but I'm craving for a burger, so let's see how I am going to accomplish that. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna do my watermelon salad with feta cheese that I'm almost done with it. So let's do that. Mm. Okay, so let's see what I got at Anthropologie. They were like everything for sale, and I only spent $23, you know, plus the tax was $150, so everything was just super on sale. So I'm happy about that. So I got these very cute kitchen towels. I haven't bought a kitchen towel in Anthropologie for a while, so this was on sale. So it was $12, you know, the 50% sale. And I love it because it's a bunch of tickets for different shows. And I couldn't resist. You know how much I love to cook. So this is a cobbler pudding, custard, clafoutot. Isn't this cute? So I can do puddings or custards, you know, even ice cream too. So I love it. So cute. And my last purchase was, I couldn't resist, you know, July, Christmas in July, 4th of July, etc. So I got these that I can, you know, use it all year for 4th of July, for Christmas, for St. Valentine's Day. So it was $14.95 minus the 50% off. So isn't this cute? It's a nice mug. I don't have a red mug. Actually, I do have one, but not like this kind with the these little scallops. So cute. So this is the current status of this wall, and where these frames show pictures, this is where I am planning to install the wall sconces. So I have to move things around. Over here. No, that's too tall, right? It should be a little bit like that. Like that. I'm gonna visualize this better. Like this. Or like this. Oh, I'm loving it. It comes in different colors. So that's red. Let's do pink. Oh, yellow. Red. Violet. Oh my goodness. I love how the sconces they look. And let's turn on. So I am going to end this vlog. Thank you for joining me in this journey of going shopping, doing a makeover in this living room. Next week, you are gonna see, actually I have a surprise. So I'm gonna surprise you, so stay tuned for next week. And thanks again for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.